How to go live on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your TikTok application from your device and get logged into your TikTok account. Now tap onto your profile, and before going live, make sure that you check your followers. You have to have 1,000 followers or more than that in order to go live in your TikTok account. So if you have 1,000 followers, in order to go live, all you have to do is tap on this plus icon at the bottom page. And at this section, if you swipe onto your left, you will see Post, Story, Templates. Now, if you have 1,000 followers, you will also see Live option right beside Templates or Story. And in order to go live, tap onto Live, and that way you can go live on TikTok. But in case you have 1,000 followers, but if you are still not being able to go live, then tap on three dot icon, tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll below, tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Account and Profile and head over to Profile page. At this page, tap on Other, tap on No. Here, write in your issue. Just like so, once done, tap on to Submit and wait for a TikTok message in your system notification in your TikTok inbox. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.